Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by confirming your power source meets the phone's needs. Always use a 5V power source rated at least 1A for Android boot. Inspect the boot cable for exposed wires and correct polarity before use. Verify the cable length is practical, typically 5 feet or shorter for stability. Work on a non-conductive surface and remove external batteries when possible. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and avoid metal tools around exposed contacts. Position the phone so you can access the charging pads or test points. Connect the ground clip to a known chassis ground or negative terminal first. Attach the power lead to the correct power pad, confirming polarity visually. Apply 5V to the power pad briefly while holding the power button to trigger the boot sequence. Watch for LED activity, vibration, or screen initialization as signs of success. Remove power immediately once the device boots to prevent overheating. If the device does not respond, stop and verify each connection with a multimeter. Recheck pad contact, continuity, and cable polarity before trying again. Avoid supplying more than 5V or higher current than 2A to the phone to prevent damage. Try different boot pads only when schematics indicate safe locations for power injection. Use insulation tape and secure connections to prevent shorts during repeated attempts. Document what you tried and let the device cool between attempts to reduce risk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.